Okay, so here we are at the start of the Dali Museum virtual tour. Thank you for joining me. I'm going to just kind of click through this and show you, I guess, the ins and outs. It's kind of like my second time going through it too, so I'm still kind of learning a few new things. First up, there's a couple different ways that you can navigate. There are these arrows which will take you to certain areas of the museum, such as the north side or to the store. If you can see at the left-hand side here, there's also a menu that also has the north side. There's the museum store. First thing I want to do is click on this welcome video. You're not going to be able to hear it because I haven't paid for the full subscription to Screencast-O-Matic, but you can get the gist. It's an introduction to the museum. There are also these little buttons here where you can click on it. It gives you more information, such as this one about the lush landscape around the museum and other information. The stones. So I'm going to click on also one of these arrows to go towards the north side. So see, it takes us to the back of the museum, and over here you see that it has been lit up in red. There's an arrow to the east side, more information about the courtyard. You can also just click over here to go towards the east side, where you can see more information about the wishing tree, the east garden. But I'm going to go into one of the gallery rooms. This is the third floor. I guess it's one of the entrances into the gallery. So here's the James Gallery, which is actually this one right here. It's very limited. There's nothing like going to the museum itself. When I started this tour, I thought there'd be a little bit more about the gallery, a little bit more information. You get a few pieces, and that's nice, but it's definitely just a first glance into this museum. Fun exploration for you to do with your kids in the classroom. Give them an example of something they might not ever see. Up here you also have some more information, another menu about visitor information, view our collection, get involved, calendar events, buy tickets, and the shop in the store. I was wondering where maybe you could find the Dali Museum library, and I think it's right here. Yeah, so here's some more information about the exhibits, and if you want to, you can go visit the library where you can look through the catalog and some interesting pictures of rare books, online exhibitions. This looks interesting. Just more links to take you on even more of a journey. Definitely a lot to see and a lot to do with the class. It's a great resource. Well, I think that's it. Thank you for taking this tour with me. It was a very interesting museum. I can't wait to see it someday in person.